This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Ternary from the YouTube channel Astronomer, and in this video we're going to be talking about a tool called Kraken, which is most often used for cracking hashes and WAR files or any sorts of compressed files. In this video we're only going to be talking about how to crack WAR files, not the hashes. So let's get into the video. So to kick things off, we're going to be talking about how Kraken works, brute force attacks and dictionary attacks. If you already know what those are, you can skip to this timestamp in the video, and if you don't, then you can stick around. So a dictionary attack is essentially a list of passwords that that could possibly be used in the WAR file or the hash. So in this video, in this file, I have a list of passwords that could, be used in the WAR file. And a brute force attack essentially uses a random combination of passwords that is used against the WAR file or the hash. And Kraken is a lightweight tool made for Windows and Linux that you can use to crack them. So you can download Kraken from the link in the description, either on Windows or Linux. And if you have any trouble with the tool itself, you can hit me up on Discord and we can talk about that, also link in description. So first of all, when you open up Kraken, so this is the main logo and the application. So when you open that up, so let me just show you. When you open that up, you're going to get this screen, and it's just terms and conditions of the application. So you're just going to hit Y, and after that you're going to hit start new. Okay, and right here you have two options: hashed passwords or compressed files. So a compressed file is essentially like your RAR files and zip files and 7-zip and whatnot, So you're gonna hit 1, and now what we have to do is drop a recovery file. So the file you want to recover, you're gonna drop it into the recovery folder of Kraken. So here's a recovery folder and here's the dictionary folder. So in this video we're going to be using a dictionary attack because only to show you how this works and so you get the hang of it. So we're going to open up the recovery folder and we're going to close this for now. So this is my important file, and if I try to open it, it's going to ask me for a password, which I obviously don't know. So I'm going to drag this important file into my recovery folder, and now we're going to open up Kraken. We're going to do Y, we're going to do start new, we're going to do compressed files, and now we're going to do a dictionary attack. So you have 4 speeds essentially. So the fast speed uses high CPU, but that's probably okay. So you're just going to do 4 if you want, and now it's going to check through every single password to see which one works. So I'm going to speed up this part of the video. Alright, so the password has been recovered, and it has been saved to my clipboard and my recovered password. So if you're wondering where that is, you can open the Kraken folder, you can go into recovered passwords, and here you can see that the password was sam1982, and also the name of the file. So now what we can do is that our recovered file, we can go and check if this actually works. So we can extract here, we can do sam1982, and that works. So we finally have the file, which is most probably an important file that you've probably forgotten the password to, or a random file you found online which you don't know the password to. So if this video helped you out in any way, shape or form, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want, and hit me up on Discord. And until then, take care.